So hey guys, so today is the another new day of practicing speaking English in front of camera for national day. So today I am going to talk about what I believe is about diet and what I believe about the skincare and what I believe about the growing up. So first of all, the topic which I want to discuss is that basic skincare. So what we all have heard about the marketing terms is that we saw influencers promoting 10 step, 6 step skincare routine, but that does not really require for making our skin better. The most important thing that I learned by doing a lot of research, by asking a lot of questions, is that the most important thing for the product that we should use for in ourselves, in our face, to make our face good, better, best is sunscreen. If you don't use sunscreen, then our face is going to be destroyed over the time. It's a long-term destruction, right? That's why we don't see this in few days. Okay, so what I am saying is that like I expose my face in front of sun. So what I am telling is that uh, yeah, I'm telling is that let's say we don't have less sunscreen and we expose our face in front of sun all the time. Okay, so we expose our face all the time in sun, but we don't see immediate reason. We see only our face get tanned, but we don't see any structural changes in our face like getting wrinkles or getting pigmentation or getting aged high. But as soon as we expose our face in sun exposure for so long time, like 5 years down the line, 5 years, 6 years, then our face is going to be age very fast. That's what long-term effect it is. So that's what I'm telling you guys. So if you don't have that sunscreen, you will not see any immediate reaction or disadvantage. But over the time, you will going to see. And I know that I am just a young, so I don't have any practical experience by myself because I am not that old. But we have to believe something, and this is a study which I truly believe, and that's why. And if you don't have the money to buy something, you can use a scarf all the time. That's what the trade-off you have to do if you want your skin for the longest or looking so fair. Okay, so the second thing which I am going to talk about is that sleep. Sleep is the most important thing in the world. I mean, all of the most people have told us that we should not take a 8 hours sleep, we should sleep 3 hours full hour. But I don't believe in all this bullshit because after studying so many hours in sleep, I have discovered that see only few things and most basic things are the most important thing if we want to grow in our life. Like first, sleep at least 8 hours a day, or uh, or eat a very high protein diet like around 120 grams every day, and wash face twice a day, use sunscreen, and apply and so these are all the basics which we have to follow if we want to get 80% result from 20% effort. And one thing that I noticed from the one thing that I noticed from uh, the one thing that I noticed by making this video for the last few days is that my English becomes so fluent. Like the way I speak in day one is far